Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the light option in Adobe Lightroom, how you can increase the lighting of your picture in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Lightroom app. So I'm going to click on this. We have to open the Adobe Lightroom. So you can see now what we have to do, we have to choose the image, that which image we want to use. For example, I'm going to choose the image. So let's choose it. For example, I'm going to use this one. So we have to choose this. And after choosing this, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the image is open. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the edit section. So we have to click on the edit section, and after clicking on the edit section, as you can see, it has the second option for the light. So we have to click on the light, and after clicking on the light, as you can see, it has the option for the exposure. If you want to increase the exposure, you can also do that. And the contrast option is also provided here. If you want to increase the contrast, and highlight options are also provided here if you want to increase the highlights, and the shadow is also provided here, and the white and the black. As you can see, these all options are provided here. If you want to edit this in HDR mode, you have to enable this, and after that you have to click on the got it. And as you can see, now this is in HDR mode, and you can use these all options. So in this way you can increase the lighting of your picture and edit your picture in Adobe Lightroom. It's very easy and it's very understandable, and I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can edit this image and how you can increase the lighting of your picture in Adobe Lightroom. So see you guys in the next video.